A very big round of applause to Vital Rich Concept Limited. Introducing our stamp branding. With our stamp branding, you can brand your item in rolls like this or in singles. In this very video, I'm going to show you how I did the branding, how I branded the snacks. You can brand it like this. You can brand it in rolls. You can brand it in single, sharp, clear branding in few seconds without using any electricity, without using any machine whatsoever. Very fast, very easy, very simple. Like, share, subscribe, and follow. Our shout out today goes to Olarinde Sheyi from Edo State, Nigeria. Sheyi, thank you so much for consistently following us. Now, I'm going to show you how I came about this branding and packaging. Isn't it looking like company packaged and branded products? Isn't it looking like that? So we'll provide you all the necessary things you need to get that kind of packaging. Place your order for our stamping kit. We'll give you 100 ml ink that will last and last and last. We give you the stamp and then the ink pad. All these are the things that are made that are inside one kit. You place your order everywhere you are in this world, it will be delivered to you. Okay, get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order. These are all the tools you need to get this type of packaging. I am sure you love it. This will be accepted in any supermarket, any shop. This can be exported. Once you brand and package with our item, you're good to go. Okay, now let's jump into the process of telling you how I came about that branding. For free, we are giving you this training for free. All you need to do is place your order for the item. So the first thing I'm doing is to get the size of the nylon I want from my industrial nylon. Okay, so I'm just going to use my tape to measure the size I want and then cut it out with my pair of scissors. So you do likewise. You get the size you want from the nylon and then you cut it. So whether you're in Africa or in Europe, Asia, any part of the world where you are, that thing you want to package and beautify, but you don't have millions and billions of naira to go to big company to help you brand, we are here to meet your need. You will just package with an item and it will look as if they were packaged with automated machine. It will look as if they were printed with big companies, but all these are what you did at home with our help. Vital Rich Concept Limited, improving your life, growing your business. So I have actually cut the size that I want. After cutting, please make sure you print on the side that is sealable. Both sides of this industrial nylon do not seal, so you carefully make sure your printing, your branding is on the place that is sealable. Without your branding, you can put your logo, you can put your business name, you can put your phone number so that your customers can easily reach you if they want. Now I'm introducing our stamp. This is our branding stamp. Can you see it? Now you can pre-order something like this. You send us your design in a WhatsApp, then we'll produce the stamp for you and then send it to you with the ink and the stamp pad. Okay, get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order. Okay, now you press the stamp on the ink and then stamp it on the nylon. Okay, you stamp it on the nylon. Very easy, very simple. Did it take me more than 1 second to do that, to stamp that thing? It didn't take me more than 1 second. Okay, you press again and then you stamp it on the nylon. For some items, that one stamping is okay, 1 or 2. It depends on what you want. Okay, please, immediately after stamping, make sure you don't allow it to fold together because that ink must dry. You give it either between 2 and 5 minutes to dry very well. Is it not very clear? Is it not very legible? What else do you need? for simple branding for your products. This is wonderful. This is amazing. VRC Foods, satisfying. 081029561113. You can put something like this for your product. You can do something like this. So sweet. You can do it in roll, throughout the roll of your nylon, and you can do it in single. If you don't have time to do it, we can do it for you. When you buy the nylon, we can help you to brand it. These are the new things we are introducing. Okay, but let's say you want to achieve that kind of packaging I did, where the branding was done all over the nylon. Yeah, like this one. You know, it's all the nylons we are branded. I'm going to show you how. You keep on stamping. You keep on stamping on all the parts of the nylon. It's very easy. So you can do this at home. But if you don't have time to do it, or you don't have time to do it, or you don't want to do it by yourself, we can do it for you. Vital Rich Concept Limited can do it for you. Can you see? Isn't it very simple? So you that have been spending heavy money to brand your product, but you want to do it by yourself, this is it. Just get our ink, our branding ink, get our stamp pad and our stamp. Those are the content of one kit, one stamp kit, and we send it to you anywhere you are on the surface of the earth. Wow, have you seen how we came about it? Then you go ahead and package it with our industrial nylon and our mini hand sealers. Wow. So you can watch my previous videos to see how I did the packaging. It is very easy. I did a lot of videos on the packaging, but this is the main thing I want to show you here, is that branding, how you can go about branding. Place your order today. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order today. Whether you are in Africa, or you are in Asia, or you are in UK, US, anywhere you are, we can deliver them to you. Wow. Can you see one kit, how it looks like? That is 100 mils ink. That is huge. Then the stamp pad and the stamp itself. That 100 mils ink will last you. It will print so many things for you. You can use it for so many things. You pre-order the stamp, then send the design to us through WhatsApp, then we can create that stamp, your own stamp for you. We can create your own stamp for you. In the stamp, you can have your logo, you can have your business name, and you can have your phone number. I know you enjoyed this video. Also, place your order for our industrial nylon and our mini hand sealers. Get our WhatsApp number from our bio to place your order. Like, share, subscribe, and follow us. Watch out for my next video, where we're going to still continue to do video on the stamping, which is our new introduction. God bless you. Don't forget to like my video and share it wide. Then contact us in the comment section. Then if you tell us where you're watching this video from, so that we can give you a big shout out. Then for some of you who don't know how our industrial nylon looks, I'm just opening it for you now to see. It goes on and on and on. It comes in roll. You can use it to package your whole product, your powdered product. It is good for all manner of packaging.